I'm Tim O'Keefe, a partner at O'Keefe, O'Brien, Leeson Foss. I practice in the world of personal injury claims, wrongful death litigation, medical malpractice, and trucking litigation. My primary practice area could be called personal injury claims. We represent people that have been seriously injured or sometimes killed in various kinds of accidents. It may have been a car wreck to a medical malpractice claim to a fall somewhere. The claims come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but the bottom line is that for us, we represent individuals, people, families that have had something really bad and tragic oftentimes happen to them. And what we do is navigate the waters of the legal system. They're often coming to us scared, afraid, not knowing what to do. It might be the worst thing that's ever happened to them in their life. And we try to navigate the claims through the insurance companies, through the courts, or whatever is appropriate in order to bring justice and hopefully some relief to their lives that allows them to move forward and get past an awful event that has obviously occurred. Our office handles a great number of medical malpractice claims. Obviously, there are a lot of outstanding doctors, nurses, and medical providers in our community and in the region in which we live. But sometimes there are things that are unintended that happen to an individual, whether it's treatment by one doctor, whether it's something that happens in surgery, whether it's an ongoing matter. There are times when negligence occurs in a hospital. It could be in the operating room, it could be in the ongoing care of a patient, it could be in the failure of a doctor to diagnose someone with an illness. The question for us is always, was there something that went wrong where the doctor breached his duty, where the doctor had a duty to a patient and didn't follow the standard of care required in treating that patient? And in whatever hospital or clinic setting it might be, if they've failed to provide an appropriate care plan, or they've failed to provide appropriate care within the standards they were taught, something bad can happen. And that's when we step in and we try to navigate through the legal system with our clients to find the best possible outcome or best possible solution for that situation. I became a lawyer because I wanted to help people, and I wanted the challenge of doing this work and having to think outside the box, having to bring my competitive nature to the forefront to help somebody or help a family or help a small business navigate through the court system. I think we have a unique approach at our firm in that we often work in teams of lawyers and legal assistants, paralegals, or other staff on everything that we do. And the reason it's important to me to be a part of the team is that it really helps us to dig into a case, to put our heads together, to get creative, to keep the communication with the client open at all times. We want to respect the fact that our clients have come to us and they trust in us to get the job done for them, no matter what that might be. I think I'm a good lawyer because I listen to my clients. I take the time to find out exactly what the problem is that they are looking to solve. So I think I'm a good lawyer because I take the time to also educate myself as to what the latest and greatest things are in the legal community when it comes to pushing your case forward or your claim forward. For me specifically, I think I'm a good lawyer because I'm aggressive, I bring experience, and I listen to what the client wants at the end of the day so that I can help them achieve success through a result that they want to achieve. It's not just about what happened, it's about what do we do to satisfy you at the end of the day to come to an appropriate conclusion with your matter. What I enjoy about my work is bringing justice through the courtrooms. I like using the skills of not just myself, but my team to take a case to a jury and get a just result through our legal system. We spend a great amount of time learning and educating ourselves about the system, about what's happening in the legal community on a day-to-day basis, what's new. And we use our education to help put a client in the best possible position when they walk in that courtroom so that they can be successful.